Adding base street maps. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add base street maps. When you click on the Street Maps option from the Base Maps menu in the left menu, there are different types of street maps on the maps in the panel that appears. It can be added to the map by pressing the Use button under the street map we want to add to the map. Also, Added Layer is listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.